gloves tonight. It is technically raining. I think the best thing to do is to prep it inside the car. That's about as prepped as it gets. Comes over the church, dropping in altitude. Come on, girl, come on in. Hope you didn't get too wet up there. I'd say that's probably the third rainiest conditions I've ever flown a drone in. And I'm not too upset. I'm gonna let it dry though before I pack it away. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I once watched a guy fly his drone in the pouring rain. And this was back when I was kind of a novice, and he was a professional, part of a video production company. And I was working a gig. It was like it was a concert basically, and I was filming at the concert, and he was a part of a bigger production company, and he was flying a drone out in pouring rain, and real serious and confident. I go up to him and I go, "Oh, hey, I didn't know the DJI Spark could fly in the rain." And he didn't even look at me. He didn't even talk to me, he didn't even answer me. He just slowly flew it back in. And later, I was like, that was weird, and I Googled it. They're not waterproof, and then, yeah, later I found out that he ruined the drone. So, that was one of those moments where, don't fall for your imposter syndrome, because other people have it. Okay. Where's my key? Oh, it's in the ignition.